there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I just want to take a look at this wireless charger from ESR, and they were kind enough to send this out to review, so thank you to them. This is called the Halolock Kickstand. So this of course is a MagSafe compatible wireless charger, and this does have a kickstand on it. So it's a little bit different than the MagSafe charger you get from Apple. So of course it's a lot cheaper. So this only runs $17.99, and this one does have a kickstand on it and is compatible with USB-C. Now, what this comes with is just the charger itself and a cord. It is a 5-foot cord, so it's a little bit longer than the MagSafe charger also. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it now. And just a quick note, this does charge at 15 watts max. All right, here is what comes in the box. So of course we do get our charger itself as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, and that is 5 foot, so it is longer than the MagSafe charger. We do get a user manual as well as a little document here identifying the right adapter you need to use for this wireless charger. Now of course it does not include it. Again, this is $17.99, so it's really actually very inexpensive for a MagSafe compatible charger, and it does have that nice kickstand, so you will have to get your adapter by itself, but obviously don't use a 5-volt. And don't use one of these random crappy adapters you can get on Amazon. Maybe find something a little bit better. So they do want you to have something PD or QC, so quick charge compatible, and at least 18 watts for this charger. And as you can see, it is a nice small charger, ESR branding right there. We have a little bit of information, we'll go over that in just a moment. Now it is a little bit thicker than a MagSafe charger, but it does have a kickstand on it here. So it's pretty nice. So if you do set this next to your bed, you can just set this down and have your phone facing up. And if you wanted to take this, say, to the office with you, you could then use it to prop your phone up and watch a video or something like that. Not that I say that's a good thing to do while you're working, but you know, there is the possibility for that. Anyway, on the front here, it does have some information. It does say only use the charging cable provided. An Apple cable or other third-party cable may interfere with charging, so they want you to use the one that they give you here, and it does look like it is a pretty nice cable. It says charging starts within 3 seconds, and it does require a caseless iPhone 12 or a MagSafe or HaloLock compatible case. All right, so here's our wireless charger, and it does have a nice glossy finish on it, so it actually looks really nice. It has a metal construction as well, and that kickstand, of course, and it works pretty well. So I do have my naked iPhone 12 here. Bam, pops right on there, starts charging immediately, and as you can see, looks really nice. We have our wireless charger in its kickstand mode, and all we have to do is just take our phone here, and voila, we have it starting to charge right there. And there's a little side view here of the phone on the charger. So that would definitely be nice to have next to your nightstand if you wanted to. Or of course, again, as I said, if you're in the office and you need to watch something on your phone, you have this nice wireless charger here. So that might be an idea. Alrighty guys, so this has just been a quick look at this wireless charger from ESR. So again, this is the HaloLock wireless charger with kickstand. It is a MagSafe compatible charger. Really nice looking charger, does come with that 5-foot cord. So this does run $17.99 on Amazon. So if you're interested in checking this out, I'll definitely leave a link down below where you can check that out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video on this wireless charger. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.